Nice to see you, children. In this lesson we will see about the CPU. What is meant by CPU? Okay, the full form of the CPU is Central Processing Unit. The short form of the Central Processing Unit is CPU. What is the full form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. See, this is the picture. Already you see this CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer. CPU is the brain of the computer. In last two chapters we discussed keyboard and mouse. Keyboard and mouse are the input device. CPU is the processing unit. CPU is the processing unit. Processing unit. Okay. Through keyboard and mouse we can send the data, isn't it? So what data we send to the CPU, that data processing by the CPU. Okay, how our brain is working, the same CPU is the brain of the computer. CPU control all the parts of the computer. Okay, the CPU is not there, computer will not work, because keyboard and mouse send the data to the CPU and CPU is processing. For an example, 2 plus 2 is a data. 2 plus 2 is a data. This data will process by the CPU. This data is processed by the CPU. 2 plus 2, we will say, tell no, 2 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 2, we are equaling this 2 number, no? That is called, this type of process is done by CPU. Then finally, what is the answer? Very good, 4. This answer is view by the monitor. View by the monitor. Monitor is an output device. Very good. Keyboard and mouse. With the help of keyboard and mouse we can send the data. 2 plus 2 is a data and this 2 plus 2 is processing by the CPU. 2 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 2 our max may start, no? Very good. The same. 2 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 2 அப்படி நம்ம மேக்ஸ் மே சொல்லி கொடுத்திருக்காங்க இல்லையா, அந்த process யார் செய்றா நம்மளுடைய பார்ட்ஸ்ல? brain செய்து. The same as a CPU is also doing. That's why CPU is called the brain of the computer. Okay, finally the answer 4 will be displayed by the monitor. Monitor is an output device. Okay, see, this is called CD drive. This is called CD drive. Very good. Next one, this is called, if you want to operate the pen drive with the help of this place we can operate it. Okay, before that we have to know how the CPU will be operate. Here we can see a button. This is called power button. This is called power button. If you press the button, the CPU will on. If you press the power button, the CPU will on. Okay, see the board. CPU, in this chapter name is CPU. This is the short form. What is the full form of the CPU? Central Processing Unit. See the board, just I am underline the first word. C means central, P means processing, U for unit. Okay children, CPU is the processing unit. In previous chapter we saw keyboard and mouse. Keyboard and mouse are the input device, input unit. Okay va? This is the processing unit. What data we have sent through keyboard and mouse, நம்ம என்ன keyboard mouse மூலமா நம்ம data கொடுத்தோமோ அந்த data is processing by the CPU. I explained with the help of example. 2 plus 2 is equal to a date. 2 plus 2 is the data. These data is processing by the CPU. Finally, the answer is 4. This answer is visually we can see on the monitor. Understand, children? Okay, very good. How can we switch on the CPU? One power button we can see. If you press the power button, the CPU will on. If you press the power button, the CPU will on. Okay, and this is the pen drive hole, and this is the CD drive. Okay, children, this is the image for the CPU. This is the image of the CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer. The whole parts controlled by the CPU. Okay. Again I am explaining CPU, central processing unit. This is the processing unit. We have so many input device and so many output device. More than one input device we saw, keyboard and mouse, and output also we have so many output devices like monitor, printer, plotter, etc. But processing unit we have only one processing unit, that is CPU. Okay, CPU is control whole parts of the computer. CPU is the brain of the computer. I just explained with an example. Now see a book, lesson 4. Please hold the finger when I am start read. CPU is the central processing unit. I explain now here, central processing unit. Central, C-E-N-T-R-A-L, central. Processing, P-R-O-C-E-S-S-I-N-G, processing. Unit, U-N-I-T. It's very, very easy spelling, children. 2 or 3 times you write it in your rough note, it will be easy. It is the brain of the computer. How our brain, human brain is operating the whole parts of our body, like the same CPU is also. It processes the data. I explained one example, no, 2 plus 2 is the data. The answer is 4. How we are doing? The maths teacher is taught, no, 2 in the mind, 2 in the finger, like that. The answer is 4. So this is an example I explained. It controls the commands. CPU controls the commands. Okay. It solves the problems. This is a problem, means what kind of problem? This is the sum is a problem. This types of problems is controlled by the CPU. Okay, children. Now see the board. CPU, central processing unit. We have only one processing unit in a computer. The another point, CPU is the brain of the computer. Okay, children. Watch this video again and again, and with the help of book. See the book also. Thank you.